Foggy glasses, all this emotion. Tried to tell her, but she probably didn't notice. She say she ain't got nobody. I said, baby girl, you're wrong.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So before we begin, I want to put it out there that aesthetic is highly subjective. So I hope that you can take this video as an inspiration to find your aesthetics and not a compulsion of what aesthetic must look like. With that being said, when finding a back cover, find something that suits your style and personality. I like minimalism at its best, so I chose this plain back casing that gives a chic vibe. But here are a few ideas for you to try. When it comes to wallpaper, there are three places I most often go to find amazing wallpapers. The first is obviously Pinterest, where you can find tons of good wallpapers. You can also search by a specific aesthetic like cottagecore, Korean aesthetics, or dark academia, to name a few. If you have a specific color that you want your wallpapers to be, then you can filter the search for it as well. The second place that I most often go to find high quality wallpaper is Pixel, where you can find high resolution photos that are posted directly by the creators that you can use for non-commercial purposes. The third place you can go to is themes on Android. Now this is where a lot of fluff exists, and it may be a little difficult to find what you're looking for if you don't know how to search for it. I usually use the terms minimalism or simple to find great images. You can also look up anime if you'd like to. You'll be able to find great ones around that term too. Now that you know where to find wallpapers, here are a few wallpaper ideas that you can try for yourself.
Pull me in, draw me close. I wanna hear your heartbeat. I wanna feel your breath on my cheek. For a drink again. I am here, I am close. I want you to hear my heartbeat. I want you to feel my breath on your cheek.
You can go by different aesthetics, or you can create vision boards like these girls. They will be especially great for lock screen wallpaper. You can create your own, or you can find them on Pinterest as well.
So I come to you with my empty cup.
Coming on to themes, you can keep the system theme itself if you're happy with it, but if you'd like to play around a little bit, then I suggest you check out the themes by OG on that are kawaii style. I personally like them a lot, but something that you need to keep in mind is to choose a theme that's compatible with your device and doesn't slow it down. I usually only apply icon and leave the rest of the default system to exist so that the phone's speed is not compromised. When arranging the apps on your phone, it's best to use the built-in system and widgets rather than downloading apps or widgets, because ultimately it's going to eat up the storage space on your phone and make it slower. The 3 rules that I usually follow while arranging is that the arrangement is functional, memory friendly, and is easy for me to find what I'm looking for really quickly. Keep the apps that you most often use on the first page and the rest in the second, and if you need then maybe third. I try to keep them within the 2 screens, as the phone gets slower if you add more and more screens to house apps, and also it's easy to find things when they are well organized. Okay, now that the phone is customized, here are a few app recommendations that I think you'll love.